Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 3. Our learning goal for today says, I can count numbers from 10 to 20 as a 10 and some ones. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at a group of objects and it's in between 10 and 20. We're going to find a group of 10 and then count on the rest of the ones. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, that's a lot of triangles. Do you agree? Now there's a lot there. We don't know how many just yet. But if we break up the triangles into different parts, a part of 10 and then the rest of them, the 10 and then some ones, that'll help keep us organized. So we know that when you do math, staying organized is the most important thing. And the first step of being organized is to make a plan. So my plan is to put my finger here on the first one and then follow the circle around as I count 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how I followed it around? Now that I've counted my 10, I'm going to go ahead and circle those. Okay, so automatically by circling that group of 10, that part that's 10, I just showed the 10 and then some more ones. So I have 10 and then I have 10. 1, 2, 3, and 3 ones. I could say 10 and 3 ones, or I could say 10, 3, if I want to say it the say 10 way, or I could say 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. So many different ways. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, stars. That's a lot of stars. When you're counting things that are all mixed up like that and there's a lot, you should have a plan, right? So press pause. I want you to think, how would you count these? What would you circle to find that 10? Go ahead and press pause, tell me about it, and then press play after you're done. Okay. You know what, I like what I heard. I could hear your good thinking, and I like that you had a plan for counting the 10 to circle. I'm going to start like this. I'm going to go across the top, and then I'm going to kind of zigzag down. Okay, so I can kind of keep it all together. It'd be too tricky to go 1, 2, 3 and kind of zigzag. I don't want to do that. I'm going to go straight across and then down. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's go and circle those. All right, so if I circled my 10 and I have that many ones left over, how many ones did I not circle, friend? Go ahead and count them. Yeah, 6. I had 10 and 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Excellent. So I had 10 and 6 ones. Great job. Let's try one more. All right, I have a whole bunch of purple trapezoids. I love trapezoids. They're fun to stack. Okay, so if I have all these trapezoids, what am I going to look for again? I forget. Oh yeah, our learning goal has said to do some 10s and some 1s. So let's go ahead. Let's find 10. And what's your plan for finding 10? How would you count out 10? I need a tip. Oh, thank you. That's a good idea. I'm going to go ahead and I'm start here, and I'll follow the circle around as I count 10. So let's see. 1, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll circle those. So I have 10 and how many ones? Good. 4 ones. 10 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, friends, our learning goal for today said I can count numbers from 10 to 20 as a 10 and some ones. That's exactly what we did today. You did fantastic. I really like that you had such a good plan for figuring out the number. This is what I would like you to do. Here is your exit ticket, friend. I would like you to go ahead and send me a video and explain to me what you would do to figure out 10 and how many ones, and then tell me what the answer is. Now, if you're on your computer or your dry erase board, you should be able to draw right there on your dry erase board, or if you're on your iPad, you can even get your marker and write right on the screen of your iPad. It wipes right off. Go ahead and circle your 10 and then find how many ones are left over. Okay? All right, good luck, friends.